So for our first video log, NASA asked us to talk about why we were selected for the moon mission. Um, well, I'll start with my credentials. I have a degree in mechanical engineering as well as a working knowledge of mechanical systems as well as electrical systems and computer programming. My work experience includes bioresearch for the National Cancer Institute as well as power generation projects for Bechtel Corporation. These were vital in my selection for the moon mission because they show my ability to work as a team, and as well as they are related to many of my functions here on the moon, as this includes being able to fix any issues we have with vital life support systems here on the habitat, as well as research projects for the effects of long durations of low gravity on the human body. Um, as I discussed earlier, I have proven a high ability to work with teams to resolve conflicts and to move forward to accomplish tasks in a successful manner. This led me to be selected as commander for the moon mission. So today, two of my team members and myself were out on a mission on the surface in the rover when we experienced mechanical failure. At this point in the trip, we were too far away to get back safely without fixing the rover, and we were also hampered because our communication equipment was not functioning due to the violent sun rays on the moon. Um, the as you can imagine, we were pretty stressed out. The team was showing some anger, some confusion, some frustration, um, but I knew we needed to remain calm in order to solve the problem. So we started by gathering everyone and discussing possible options, making sure everyone felt okay about where we were, what the situation was. Um, we then started to test multiple possible solutions to the problem. We found out that the issue was actually with the rover steering, power steering. It had failed and therefore had shut the rover down so that we would not crash without being able to steer. As the mechanical engineer on the project, I needed to be the one to externally fix the rover, so I needed to put on my spacesuit and get out of the rover, while my team members needed to communicate some of the error messages and the data coming across the console to me in order to make the correct fixes. So over the course of the next hour or so, we managed to fix the issue and restart the rover and drop back to safety. It was definitely key to stay calm here, to work with my team members in a constructive manner, make sure everyone knew what we were talking about, look at the situation from every different angle. So today we found out that some of the oxygen tanks had been leaking for quite some time. Um, After doing some rough calculations, we figured out that we only had about 120 hours of oxygen left. This meant that we didn't have enough oxygen for all the activities and research that the team wanted to do here for the month we stayed. So, as commander, I was required to prioritize what was going to get done. So, we gathered the team together and we kind of decided that we needed about 60 hours of oxygen in order to be set aside for emergency scenarios. Um, in case something needed to be repaired on the habitat. The remaining 60 hours was going to be divided up based on the team and what we decided as a group. We went through all the research and the activities that need to be done, and we decided that those with the most promise would be held in reserve enough oxygen to finish, and those that were not going to be done, even if they had some set aside, were scrapped. And as a team, we really came to consensus on what could really be done with the remaining oxygen.